Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to find the DNS information for your Wix website. This is a super useful skill if you're setting up a custom domain, troubleshooting email delivery, or pointing your website somewhere else. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your DNS records quickly and confidently, and you'll feel much more in control of your domain settings. All right, let's get started. First things first. Go ahead and open up your Wix dashboard. If you've never been here before, this is essentially your central hub for everything to do with your Wix website. Editing pages, checking analytics, and more importantly for today, managing all your settings. You can get to the dashboard by logging into your Wix account and making sure you've selected the right site if you have more than one. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Settings option over on the left-hand side menu. It might take a moment to spot it, especially if Wix has updated their interface, but usually it's in that main menu. Click on Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes controls and options live. We're heading here because Wix keeps domain and DNS details under Settings rather than out front. Inside Settings, you'll want to find and click on Domains. Sometimes it's called Connected Domains or just Domains, depending on your account. This section shows you all the domains that are connected to your Wix sites. If you haven't bought or linked a domain yet, you might see suggestions for getting one. But assuming your domain is already connected, it'll show up here. When you see your domain listed, make a mental note or copy it to your clipboard. That's the domain you're going to be working with. Don't worry if you have a few domains on your account, just pick the one you want to check the DNS for. The DNS records themselves aren't shown here, but you'll need your domain name for the next step. Now, here's a trick I love because it's so simple and quick. We're not going to dig for DNS records inside Wix. Instead, we're heading to a website called www.whatsmydns.net. Just open a new browser tab and go to that URL. This site is super handy because it shows you your domain's DNS information from servers all around the world, perfect for double-checking settings or seeing if your changes have taken effect. Once you're on whatsmydns.net, there's a big search box right on the main page. Paste your domain name in here, for example, yourwebsite.com. And then click the search button. Take a moment and you'll see results from dozens of different locations. This can be super revealing, especially if you recently changed your DNS settings and want to see if they've updated everywhere yet. The information displayed includes your domain's current A records, CNAME, MX, and more, depending what you select. If all the results match and show your expected values, then you're set. If not, it might mean your DNS changes haven't fully propagated. That can sometimes take up to 48 hours, so don't worry if it's not instant. And that's it. You found your Wix DNS info in just a few simple steps. It's so empowering to know how to quickly check and confirm your domain's settings, especially when you're launching a new website or troubleshooting issues. Before you go, if you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, if something didn't look right for you, or if you want to dive deeper into DNS settings, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.